I started with Adobe Illustrator here. Let me open up the file. I'm just going to open up this file. It's just this PNG image. It's really large for the artboard, so I'm just going to resize it just a little bit. Take it down, just makes it easier to work with. I just want the image inside that square. Do a little bit more. There we go. All right, sounds good. Now I'm just pinching and zooming to make it larger on my screen, just so I can make sure everything looks good. Get that artboard in there. So simply just click on this image trace. I'm choosing 3 colors because it's really just 2 colors, but that way it gets kind of some of the contours of all of the curves and such. If this was a fully colored logo, it takes it a little bit more processing here. All this is doing is just turning it into just this simple vector image. It's essentially done. Hit this expand button right here, and that turns, you see all the little blue outlines over everything? That's turning everything into these vector lines. I'm just gonna save it. We'll save this as the name of the file here, Stone Church. It's a vector, just so you know that. Save it. It's going to be a .ai Illustrator file. Everything looks good. And then just to kind of show you, if you double click on any of these images, it releases them from everything else, and anything really that's on its own. And then you can even just change things. You've got these little pinpoints. You can just pull and drag and change things. I just Control Z to go back to the way it was, and everything looks good.